Hi all, this video is a course overview video. In this video, we will look at how are we going to cover the startup guide for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Project Service Automation course. So let's proceed. I'll start with my brief introduction. My name is Sajan Chaudhary. I am Microsoft Dynamics CRM certified professional having an experience of 6 years in the industry for various business domain and business verticals. I've worked on major version of CRM, that is CRM4, 2011, 2013, 2016, and I am a pure .NET resource along with a consultant. Let's dig deeper in the course. So in this course, we will start with the PSA overview. We will learn about what is PSA and its components, what is PSA product, sales price list, and cost list. Further, we will dig deeper and we'll get in the Get Started course. In Get Started course, we will see how to install and customize Dynamics 365 for PSA. We will learn about the basic navigation and terminology. We will look at the planning and delivery and billing section, as well as we will learn about the sales process overview. Then, going further, we will look PSA from an administrator point of view. In this section, we will see how to configure PSA, how to use the demo data, and how an organization can effectively use PSA. Then finally, we are going to look at the guides. So in the guide section, we are going to cover account manager guide, project manager guide, resource manager guide, and the collaboration guide. Thank you.